Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to turn off sleep mode in Windows 11 on any PC. It's super easy and only takes a few seconds. First, right-click the Windows icon on your taskbar and select Settings. Once the Settings window opens, look on the left side and click System. Now, on the right side, scroll until you find Power and Battery and go ahead and click on it. Inside this menu, you'll see an option called Screen and Sleep. Open that. Here, you'll see 4 different settings that control when your screen turns off and when your PC goes to sleep. All you need to do is change every drop-down menu to Never. For example, if yours currently shows something like 10 minutes, just switch it over to Never. Once you've done that, your PC will stay awake and will no longer enter sleep mode in any situation. If this guide helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.